In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get more hearts in Code of the Lamb. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about all of the types of hearts in Code of the Lamb and how you can acquire more. So to keep it simple, there are three health types. You have red hearts, blue hearts, and deceased hearts or black hearts. Red hearts are the standard health and they can be restored with health pickups or vampiric weapons. The base amount of your red hearts depends on the difficulty, so the easiest way to increase your maximum health is just going to be to lower the difficulty. Now, if you don't want to change the difficulty, there are still ways of getting permanent red hearts. With sermon upgrades, you will be able to get a total additional heart permanently. And there are other ways that I'm going to go over in this video. Blue hearts work almost exactly like the red ones, but they will be lost upon finishing your crusade. And deceased hearts or black hearts are similar to blue hearts in that they will be lost after the crusade and cannot be normally restored. However, they have a unique mechanism where taking damage will deal damage to all enemies on the screen when they are lost. So you will be able to get half a red heart in your temple by getting both upgrades called Hearts of the Faithful 1 and 2. They will give half a red heart each, so essentially a full heart in total. Next, you can get half a red heart on the Crusade in Rattor's room, offering a follower that has turned into Hathor to Rattle. Upon finding him in his heart-shaped room, you will permanently lose the follower, and this can be only done once. You can get one blue heart in your temple by obtaining a heart of a heretic and using it to receive the Hunger a Crown upgrade. You can get another black heart from a sermon. You can get blue hearts by gathering 4 fragments of the Holy Talisman, then unlocking and wearing the Fleece of Fragile Fortitude. You can get 2 deceased hearts by obtaining the Heart of Heretic once again, using it to receive the Hunger, and then eating minced follower meat. You can get 1 deceased heart by obtaining the Heart of the Heretic again and using it to receive the Darkness Within, which is a crown upgrade. And finally, 1 last deceased heart by gathering 4 fragments of the Holy Talisman, unlocking it, and wearing the Fleece of the deceased heart. I hope I was able to help you on how to get more hearts in Code of the Lamb. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.